Today the first day you're open?
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
Regular. Morning, Vladimir, please. James, would you like one of our watches? Thank you very much. I got served that till 11 o'clock. Is it only breakfast? I love breakfast. Sorry.
Okay, last time. Please go back.
You know, room number 7, the black chap.
Do you have organelles?
Yeah, just complete asking about like the biomembranes.
Biochemistry virus, and not fun, are they? Not the first thing.
And what about all the others? Are they on the same?
I'll be shot. Happy atmosphere. Yeah. Your McDonald's looks like.
Very, very good.
I'll keep
Second on 60. Tony, bacon on 6 please.
I disagree with this. There's no way we should be doing my menu. Cheese on 3/4, please. John. Let's do it.
Thank you.
They don't put salad on this one. Can I say, where's the toast? There's some pink toast around there.
No, it's not heavy.
Who's calling me? George, how do you feel like eat cheese? Oh, yeah. Yeah, don't take away no breakfast stuff yet. No more, no more. I don't have to eat. Who's calling me now?
Right, come on guys, let's get rid of the boxes on the side, yeah? Hold your cloths up. Hold your cloths up.
And